This lecture is on reactions of carbohydrates. Some of the most common reactions include the Molisch, Bial, Iodine, Seliwanoff, Fehling, Barfoed, and Benedict's test. Molisch's test is designed to test for carbohydrates. How fast it identifies a carbohydrate depends on the classification of the carbohydrate tested. The color to look for is purple between layers. A key is that monosaccharides will be observed much faster than either disaccharides and polysaccharides. Here in this figure, it shows a pentose and a hexose, where in both cases, under Molisch test, a positive result for the presence of a carbohydrate. Bial's test is designed to differentiate a pentose from a hexose. Positive tests have a deep blue color and the presence of a pentose, whereas a negative test have either a yellow or brown color. It is possible the negative test may be interpreted as either absent for a pentose or possible that it may confirm it is a hexose. Here in this figure, it shows two reactions, a pentose and the other, a hexose, performed under Bial's test and its results. Iodine's test is to confirm the carbohydrate is a polysaccharide. A positive test has either a blue, red, violet, or purple color in solution. Here is the reaction where the triiodide ion with starch results in a dark blue complex, but if you were to heat the sample, an amber or red color appears until the solution cools, in which the blue color will reappear again. Seliwanoff's test is used to test for the presence of a ketose in a carbohydrate. A positive test results in the solution turning cherry red. This reaction here shows how a ketose with the reagent shows a colored cherry red solution, confirming a positive result. Fehling's test is used in testing a reducing versus a non-reducing sugar. You need an aldehyde and an alpha hydroxy ketone present to get a red precipitate to obtain a positive test. Here in this figure, it shows the formation of Fehling's solution and the way the copper 2 ion with an aldehyde formed a carboxylic acid and the brick reddish brown solid. A second test, Barfoed's test, is also used in testing a reducing versus a non-reducing sugar. The type of reducing sugar will impact how fast the positive test will occur. Monosaccharides are fastest, where disaccharides are also possible, but slower in observing its positive results. Here is a reaction where the brick red precipitate is formed under Barfoed's test with the alpha hydroxy aldehyde. A third test, Benedict's test, is also used in testing a reducing versus a non-reducing sugar. Monosaccharides are best under this test because the color of the solution depend on the level of the reducing sugar. Positive results can have a green, yellow, orange, red, or brick red color. Here is a reaction where the brick red precipitate is formed under Benedict's test with the alpha hydroxyaldehyde.